You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this simple word. It's a fruit, but it confuses a lot of people. Many people can't pronounce it very well. So let's break down the pronunciation. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar here. It's pronounced in English as fig, alright? It's like a short E sound, but you don't say really fig, but rather fig, egg. A bit like an egg, really. Fig, fig. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.